What's up, my good sis? It's your girl Kiamani, and I'm back at it again with another video. So y'all remember when I told y'all I was gonna do another video on the Ishow hair straight 26-inch joint? Well, this is that. So in the previous video, you did see her. I had washed her and she like air dried a little bit, and she had just like a little natural little wave. So I am going to be using this curling iron / flat iron just to bump the ends, not bump the ends, what am I talking about, but get that wave up out of there. I want a sleek straight look. So what I do like to use is this Fructis, it's like a silkening spray. It's really just heat protecting, but I just like how shiny it makes the hair. I also threw in a little BioSilk, the light kind though, because BioSilk can be very greasy and heavy. So I like the really light BioSilk. So as you can see, look how flowy and shiny and stuff this wig is after I did what I did. And I'm just gonna go in with some more Eco Styler just to slick the side of the wig, because I want a little cute tuck behind the ear moment. And yeah, I did say this in the previous video also, but I do need to get my hair re-braided / redo my braids, just because I don't like how it's making the wig sit in the back. But it's not the wig's fault, it's just my braids look crazy. So I've straightened this all the way out, and she's almost done. I just want to, y'all seen that like curling iron, flat iron thing that I was using earlier? Well, I actually want to put like 2 curls in the front. I'm just trying to finesse this real quick, get it right. So I'm gonna put like 2 curls in the front just to see something, because the natural texture, I'm sorry I'm facing this way, but the natural texture of this wig is straight. Should not glue down on the sides yet, so don't go on me. But the natural texture of the wig is straight. So I do want to do, like in high school I used to always do like this 1 curl in the front of my face. So let's see how she curls. I do like how smooth it is though. Like, okay, it's easier when you just keep it in there and slide it down instead of trying to curl. So I am gonna have to play with that a little bit more, because I don't really know how to use it. I'm obviously not that smart, because I feel like it shouldn't be that hard. But it did give me a little curl, and it did straighten my hair pretty good. So yeah, this is a very everyday style, really easy, simple wig. Yeah, just cute, fun, fresh. Let me know how you like it. If you did want to pick up this wig, everything on sis will be in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.